everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, I am Cassie. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title down below, I'll be showing you guys this wig. This is the wig that I had wore to my wedding, that I had on my wedding. And I'm just showing you guys how it is, how it looks right now, and basically what I'm just going to do is revive it. So I'm just showing you guys that I'm just parting a way where I'm gonna start plucking, and I'm just gonna bring this baby back to life. So I just want to show you guys how I already plucked this side and how natural and how good it looks. I will be cutting additional lace off of this. This next side, I'm just showing you how this side is basically, it is not plugged. It's just basically a straight kind of type of line. But I just wanted to show you guys the difference. So the thing I already did with this wig is I already plucked it, I already bleached the knots, and right now what I'm just about to go ahead and do, I'm about to go and straighten this bad boy, because we is going to cut this into a blunt cut bob. This flat iron that I'm showing you guys pretty in a minute, it is the bomb. I recommend you guys purchase it, and it is so worth every penny. So now what I'm just doing, I'm just sectioning the hair little by little and straighten it. Don't mind in the back of this, you're gonna see a patch. This is why I am reviving it and cutting it into a short blunt bob. Cause baby, once I put this on, you won't be able to see that patch in the back. Okay. So I'm going to be using my Beyond the Zone to spray the hair, and going in with I think it's like a tooth flat comb thingy that you could use within the hair to like basically flatten the hair and stuff, to make it bone straight. But just watching it. Yes, baby, get into this bone straight. No stiff, bitch. Shake, bitch. Yes. Oh, I am feeling it. Like, next we're gonna get into the cutting part. a licensed cosmetologist, you're supposed to do this to make sure both sides are equal. Come on now, don't sleep on me. Get into this blunt cut, baby. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Now what I'm going to be doing is going in between each of these, well, ain't no tracks, but in between to basically make sure that it are bone straight from the roots all the way to the end. Now that she is straightened from root to end, now I'm gonna get her little bump with the straightener. So I'm gonna straighten it, but then at the end I'm gonna give it like just a little bump. So this wraps it up for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Also, don't forget to put on your post notification bell button so you don't miss a beat whenever I drop a next video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.